How to use live transcribe for real-time speech to text. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to use live transcribe for real-time speech to text. So now let's get started. To install live transcribe, all you need to do is open the Google Play Store, search for live transcribe. If the app is already installed, it's okay, but if it is not installed, all you need to do is install it. And when the app is installed, open it. Now we need to set up live transcribe. First of all, you need to allow the app to access your microphone. Then the app will automatically begin transcribing spoken words into text when it detects audio. The app will show real-time text of what is being said on the screen. You can also customize the text size, language, and all the settings through the app's option. This app makes it easier for users with hearing impairments to follow along. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.